Hey everyone, so in this video I'll show you how you can apply promo code for Zara. So basically the truth is that Zara doesn't accept any promo or coupon code. So there are many fishy websites that will tell you that they will provide you the coupon or promo code for Zara discount. But from the company itself, it's strictly forbidden and they doesn't accept any kind of coupon or promo code. So don't be sad or uh, don't lose hope. I have a bypass option for this and I'll show you just now. And the option left is you have to go to the Zara's official website and you have to subscribe to their newsletter. So by subscribing into their newsletter, they will uh, sometimes uh, get some products on flash sales and all. So if you join their newsletter, you will get update on the products that are practically cheaper or uh, budget friendly for you. So for that you have to join their newsletter. So click on the join our newsletter option, and as you can see you have to provide your email, like I am giving my email optional, and you have to click on the I have read and understand the privacy and cookie policy, and you then have to check on the sections you want the newsletters from, like women, man, kids, home, beauty collections like SRPLs, SRA, and you can check them or uncheck them. Check the ones you want the newsletters from, and you can just click on subscribe. And after subscribing they will often send you the newsletters on your email, and you can select and purchase the your desired products on a budget price whenever they give it on sale. So that's it for today. Hope you find this video informative. Be sure to like, subscribe and comment. So see you in the next one.